Hello everyone, this is Deepak Kumar, Faculty of Mathematics. So today what I am going to discuss is what are the syllabus, which are the important topics that we are going to cover, and from which area maximum question is being asked in any government competitive examination. So these are some topics that I have written over here. Sets relation function, limit continuity, differentiability, differentiation, application of derivative, in which we will discuss tangent normal, monotonicity, maximum, minimum. After that, we will discuss integration. Then we will go through differential equation, linear algebra, APGP, numerical methods, complex variable, vector, height and distance. So these are the chapters that I am going to discuss. So today's video motive is, before starting any preparation for any competitive examination, you should know what is your syllabus and from which area question is asked repeatedly every year. So because this is competitive examination, so we have to work smart and work hard also. So for a smart work, we have to know that which topic is most important, which is very less important, and how to prepare for that. So basically, from all this video, we will try to solve questions in very smart way. Like we will apply some short tricks if we can apply there. So mostly from in all chapters, I will try to solve questions by short trick if possible. If not, then we will go through that procedure. So first of all, we will discuss first chapter, set relation and functions. After completion of this chapter, we will go through limit, continuity, differentiability. This is very important chapter. This is very important chapter, limit, continuity and differentiability. After that, we will go through differentiation of derivatives. Okay. Again, this is very important chapter. After that, we will go through application of these derivatives. Means whatever we studied in derivatives, their application we will use in this chapter, in which we will discuss tangent normal, monotonicity, maximum minimum. Some more chapters are there like rate measurement, uh, mean value theorem. That also I will discuss here. After completion of application of derivative, we will go through integration. As we know, integration are of two types. First one is indefinite, second one is definite. So we will study both indefinite and definite. In indefinite integration, we will discuss single integration, double integration and triple integration also. After that, very important chapter, differential equation. We will discuss differential equation. So integration, differential equation and linear algebra, in which we will discuss matrices and determinants. These three chapters are very important chapter for any competitive examinations. After that, we will discuss AP and GP, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. If needed, I will discuss harmonic progression also. After that, we will discuss numerical method. Then we have complex variables, vectors, height and distance. If you want me to discuss that trigonometry chapter also, then you can suggest me. You can suggest me that I have to study trigonometry also. Then we will prepare for that. So basically, these are the chapters that I am going to discuss from tomorrow onwards. First chapter will be set relation and function, and these are the sequence that we will go through. So today's video motive is that before starting any preparation, we should know what is the syllabus, what are the syllabus, and which are the important topics. That what my motive of this video was. You should know what is your syllabus, which are the important topics, and how to prepare for that, how to solve that question in a smart way, means within very less time, because for competitive examination we don't have that much time, so we cannot go through proper procedure, so we have to apply some short tricks so that we can solve more and more questions. Okay, so from tomorrow we will discuss our first chapter. So work hard, work smart, and be positive. Thank you.